Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, and what do I like? Well, I like having a new product to show you. Now, as you know, I just came back from Texas. I was at the Keystone Big Show, and I had 40, 50 videos of all kinds of new products, and I bought a bunch of stuff, and I got a new cover. First time doing a video here at our store. But before we get going, that is our telephone number. So if you have questions, give us a call. So come on over this way. By the way, buddy, our master tech is behind the camera. He's also the one who did the installation today. And as we're going to go into our cover here, we're going to tell you all the pros and cons here. Now, this is called the TrailFX, and it's basically their new rolling cover. It does come with T-slots here, so you can add racks. So if you look on the truck behind us here, my truck, you can see you can add these racks to it. So with this T-slot. Now, this is really a good value because it is a metal cover. Now I'm going to tell you all how it works, and I'll tell you all the good stuff, and I'll tell you some things that maybe I didn't care for. So let's go in here, open this up here. Now he does have a deck system in here, and this does work with the deck system. By the way, these come off, but this is basically a little sticker that tells them what this is for. I was tempted to take it off of the video, I'm going to leave it on. So let's go into a few things. First thing first, it sits on top of the bed. Now, there is a benefit of sitting on top of the bed versus sitting in the bed. He has a deck system. This gives him a full additional inch of room in the bed. So another cover would sit a little lower, so he would have less space in the bed. That's really convenient if you have a bed slide or just nothing there, just having the extra room. It really comes in handy. Again, this is all metal. Now, this is also going to be probably one of the least expensive rolling covers you're going to find. Now, I'm going to tell you how they save money, and you have to make a decision if that's okay, or you say, well, I kind of prefer this or that, whatever. So I'm going to tell you again the pros and cons, the things you might not hear somewhere else, but it's good to know before you buy. Okay, first thing first, like I said, it sits on top. It is metal. It's got T-slots. You got a left and right release mechanism. Now, this does not have, like a roll lock, it doesn't have a mechanism, or the Truck Covers USA have a mechanism in the canister that pulls it back. This is basically, you're going to pull it back yourself, and that's one of the things they did to save money. Now it rolls all the way back. Now it does lock into place over here, so now it does not stop anywhere along the tracks. It's either all the way open, all the way closed. Now to release this, it's the same setup. You do have to reach over here, and you pull this thing down, and you're going to do this. Now it's a little harder, so I have to come back over here, and then again, we're trying to show you the most honest way of showing the video here. So now you can come back and use the strap, and that's how it works. So it's not as easy as some of the other covers, but price point, it's probably about $600, maybe $800 less than a lot of other covers. So it is a lot less money, and it is metal, which I do like a lot. So again, you got your left, your right release mechanism. You push this, there you go. It's a little stiff, but of course, the more you use it, the easier we'll get. Now take a look in here. It does have a very small canister. And with the smaller canister, you can put a deck system in here like we have here right now. And I was a little concerned about space, but as you can see, there's plenty of space. And this has probably one of the largest drainage systems. If you look over there to the left and right, it's a little hard to see, but you can see the drainage system. It's a very large tube. The benefit of that is real simple. The bigger the tube, easier for water to get out of the canister. So that's a good thing. So it's less chance of getting filled up with water. So, okay. So come over here. Now, if you need to clean this out, go ahead, open this side. There you go. If you need to clean this out, you can. So you open it up. I'm going to go ahead and close the cover so you can see inside there. It's a very straightforward, simple setup. Oops, I forgot I have to release the mechanism. Thank you, buddy. Okay. Now this makes it really easy to clean. So if you look inside the canister, if you're getting leaves in there, you can get in there and you can clean it very, very easily. So it's a really good setup here. I like this a lot. Again, does make you don't need a lock on this because it's not accessing the bed. So if they open this, it makes no difference. They still can't get into the bed. So, and it just close it. That's it. Push it down there. Whoops. There we go. Get my little rubber seal there. There we go. Very, very easy. Now, we do have a few of these already in stock. We ordered a few at the show. This is something we're going to be stocking. So if you come in here, you want one. If we don't have it here in the store, we could probably get you one in a day or two. So pretty fast. We also can drop ship this anywhere in the country. Now, just like before, I was mentioning the pros and cons. We talked about the open mechanism here. You know, not my favorite, but it works just fine. The other thing is installation. Now, buddy, Master Tech, he's been installing everything you could possibly think of. He's done it. This took him a little longer to do today. Now, again, it was the first time doing it, but usually he flies through everything. What they did to save money is a lot of things that are already pre-put together. you have to put together. So it saves them money when they sell it to you, but it's more work for the installation. Now the good news, if you buy this from us, and if you have installation questions, you can call us. Buddy will walk you through anything you have. It does come with decent instructions, but some things on the instruction can be a little vague. So that being said, again, I like it. I think it's going to be really good with water. Oops, it fell right in there. There we go. Let's get that out of there. I think the seal on this is very good. There we go. I think it looks nice. I like the idea it is metal. And a price point on this is actually, I think this is less money than one of my folding hard covers. So it is a terrific value. Now again, I went over a few things what they did to save money. So this would be a good honest review of this cover. I still think it's a great cover. Like I said, when I was at the show, I thought it was probably one of the best values you're going to find out there. And it does come with the T-slot, so you can add racks to it. Again, I'm Chris here with C&H Auto Accessories, and this is a review of the TrailFX rolling cover, and this was on a GMC Sierra here. And don't forget, like and subscribe.